Hi, if you're watching this, it's probably because your Kenwood Multipro Whisk has broken. In this case, it was because my daughter used some unsoftened butter for a cake, and you can see that these little plastic things sheared off. Here's the new one. They should look like that. And when it sheared off and left the end embedded in here. And I wasn't sure if I was going to have to buy both pieces or if one piece, if I could just repair this. So here's a quick video showing how you repair it. Get a screwdriver, and you can see inside the hole here, the big hole, that you can insert the screwdriver in here and just lever gently, and when you lever, this starts to open out, and if you're gentle with it, you can open it enough to get your fingers in here, and then just open it up really gently. And once it splits open, you can see that inside there's a load of cogwheels, and these cogwheels are what turns, this is the main one that turns from the mixer here, this one, and then that turns these two. And the reason that these two exist here is to make sure that they both turn the same direction. And you can see this is the one here that had the end stuck in. Remove that and just use a small screwdriver to push that out backwards. See, these need to go in like this. Now when you reassemble this, it's actually important to make sure that the blades on the new ones don't collide. So you can see that they have those crosses in them. And that means that the crosses in these two here need to be set so that they're not at the same angle. So let me put them in at the same angle now. So let me just turn that 145 degrees there, and that way these blades will miss each other. Okay, and then to reassemble, you simply turn this over like this. Oops. Put the two halves back together again. And snap into place. Before I snap it into place, I'm just going to make sure that these guys really do miss each other. That's one in. Yeah, and you can see that they're perfectly missing each other. So now I'm just going to snap the plastic back together all the way around. Now I got these replacements from eParts in the UK, and I'll put a link. No relationship with them, except that when I ordered the parts, they were very good about getting them to me quickly, and they had the best price. Anyway, I hope this saves someone buying the back bit, and it's a pretty quick and easy repair.